How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 1500 in the Desert Scape colorway. This is a new colorway of the New Balance 1500 made in the UK. They retailed for a price of $220 US or $280 here in Canada, and the style code for this shoe is M1500SDS. So for anyone that tuned into my last episode of the Channel 8 podcast, in that episode I talked all about my favorite New Balance models, and I definitely mentioned the 1500. So I'd said that I love the 1500 silhouette, but here in Canada we don't really get too many colorways. However, this gorgeous pair landed on newbalance.ca, so zero hesitation, I had to pick these up. So diving straight into the details of this shoe, starting things off with the toe box, here we have this layer of this beige or light brown colored mesh. We have these nubuck overlays on top, and then surrounding the outer edge, we have this beige colored suede. So both the suede and the nubuck runs about halfway down the length of the shoe, and covering the quarter panel, we have this off-white or cream colored cracked leather. And then embroidered on it, we have the New Balance N logo, which is done in a combination of light brown and navy blue. Surrounding the top portion of the ankle collar area, we have this brown colored nubuck, and then wrapping around the bottom of the back heel, we have this deep brown colored suede, and on the lateral side only, we have 1500 embroidered on the side. Right above the suede, we have this small sliver of reflective 3M, and we have the New Balance logo embroidered at the top in this navy blue color. For the laces, so these only come with one pair of laces, and they're a flat white colored lace. Underneath this, the tongue is constructed out of mesh at the very bottom, and we have this overlay of white leather at the top, with New Balance Made in England embroidered in navy blue at the very top. For the insoles, so these come with your standard New Balance insole, and we have New Balance branding stamped on the heel in navy blue. So the upper of these 1500s sits atop this foam midsole, which is colored in white. We have these hits of navy blue on the forefoot and the back heel, along with the New Balance wordmark and the New Balance logo printed on the back heel of the lateral side. And on the heel, we have New Balance's end cap technology, which essentially is a soft EVA foam core surrounded by a stiffer polyurethane rim. So this gives you a good balance between support and cushioning. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is entirely done in this gum rubber finish. We have this slanted diagonal traction pattern on the forefoot, along with New Balance 1500 branding towards the back heel. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these New Balance 1500s. For those wondering how these fit, to me these fit exactly like all my other 1500s, so I'd recommend sticking true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and for comparison's sake, I go a half size down in some New Balance models like the 990 V5, the 992, the 993, and the 998. On the other hand, I stick true to size in models like the 1500, the 1530, and the 997. Next up, in terms of the comfort on this shoe, so overall I feel like the 1500 is an okay shoe from a comfort standpoint. It's not going to feel super cushioned, and in fact the foam midsole, especially underneath the forefoot, feels pretty thin and minimal, and it feels very stable and very low to the ground. And on the back heel, they incorporate end cap, which to be honest isn't my favorite cushioning system. I feel like it's a little bit stiff and it's not really forgiving. So if you're looking for a shoe that has a ton of cushioning, a lot of softness, then the 1500 might not be the one for you. But if you're looking for a shoe that you can wear for long hours in the day without feeling any fatigue in your feet, and you're the type that likes a lot of support, then the 1500 might be up your alley. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, all in all, I was pretty impressed. This being a made in England pair, I felt like the material quality was pretty good, especially the suedes and that cracked leather on the mid panel. And the craftsmanship and build on this pair was pretty good. There wasn't any major flaws that I could see, so all in all, I was pretty impressed. With all that being said, now let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Like I said from the start, I've been trying to add more 1500s to my New Balance collection, and for some reason, this colorway immediately caught my eye the moment I saw it. I think it's a very clean colorway. I love the different tones of the brown, the beige, and the cream. And I think this is a pair you can really dress up or dress down depending on your outfit and what you want to pair it with. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this New Balance 1500 in the Desert Scape colorway. What are your overall thoughts on the 1500 model in general? And let me know down below if you're feeling this colorway or not. If you guys enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.